Last year, we took a big bold decision keeping aspirants at the center of it, and we decided to offer 3 years of support for UPSC Essential and Sociology Comprehensive course students. Now, this proved to be such a revolutionary decision, and honestly, even we weren't expecting the overwhelming response that we received. So, students from our previous batches appreciated it so much, and the feedback has been honestly incredible. So this year, the announcement just gets a little bigger. But before we make today's announcement, let's understand the logic behind 3 years of access to UPSC Essential and Sociology Comprehensive courses that we gave last year. Because UPSC is one of the most unpredictable and time-consuming exams that you'll ever encounter and prepare for. The entire UPSC exam cycle, takes a year of preparation before, and then from prelims to the final result, another year. So a minimum of 2 years, and that's if you're clearing in your first attempt. So think about it. A year of intense preparation before the exam, and then another full year in the exam cycle from prelims to the final result. And in this, buying a new course or mentorship every single time, every year, that's neither affordable and frankly not something that aspirants should have to do. Apart from that, many students start their preparation during college, which means that they need even longer support. And considering these ground realities at UPSCprep.com, we have followed a basic principle from the very beginning, that we have given 3 years of unlimited access to the recordings of live classes and current affairs updation for every single student in any of our courses. This has always been part of our commitment to provide the best possible guidance and value to our students. However, we realized that even this commitment should be extended further, and after long discussions and putting in tremendous time and effort to evaluate how we can help our students, our aim became crystal clear. The aim is this: if you enroll in our course, you should not have to buy any other course, period. And we believe that this is something that each and every institute in the UPSC ecosystem should follow. Because why should UPSC aspirants have to keep spending money on every other course and every other year? And that's why we designed UPSC Essential course to include absolutely everything that you need to prepare for Civil Services Exam. It has detailed lectures from absolute basics to advanced levels. It has comprehensive mentorship, test series, daily practice questions, value addition material, guidance on answer writing, guidance on notes making, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and so much more. But still, there was something missing. And then it hit us that, every student who enrolls in the UPSC Essential and Sociology courses should not only get 3 years of access to class recordings, but also 3 years of access to mentorship from day one. Right? Which means that even if the course finishes in 1 year, classes aapki khatam ho gayi hain, your mentorship access from top faculties, which include past rankers and subject matter experts, will remain available for the full 3 years. Now, the announcement for this year is that we're extending this 3 years of mentorship access to all current and upcoming UPSC Essential and Sociology Comprehensive course students. This is going to be the permanent norm from here on out and not just a one-time offer. Now, this 3 years of commitment from us to you is going to be the permanent norm and not just a one-time offer. Because if you look at the UPSC market today, once your course is over, your contact with the institute practically vanishes. Most institutes won't even entertain you unless you get a rank, and that's just wrong. So with this announcement, what we're doing is formalizing this 3-year mentorship structure so that you can reach out to your mentor anytime you need guidance without hesitation. And remember that even if after 3 years you require help, we are here for you. And that's not just a promise, that is our commitment. This is what sets us apart. And this is what makes UPSCprep.com a reliable partner in your UPSC journey. All the best.